521, top side of the Buckeye station. 8-channel Behringer mixer. Sennheiser 835 studio mic. On-air design audio loop. Best thing I've ever bought. Two 1446s. Driving two 572Bs. And the rest of my equipment is just toys. Of course they all work. There's all my extra radios, my extra tube box, another radio, tons of parts, more radios in the bottom. My wife hollers all the time. Another amplifier, Palomar 300. These drawers are loaded with radios, equipment parts, miscellaneous parts in all those drawers. I'm addicted to CB radios. Y'all have fun.